for the official National Weather. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 131, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 131, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Charles, Howard, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington, Fairfax, and Loudoun, and the following independent cities in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church, and the following, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland. Tidal should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued Central Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Mineral, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Gatewood, Logan, Brokenburg, Glenora, Post Oak, Thornburg, Alsop, and Snell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Virginia Special Marine Warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dahlgren, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel. Locations impacted include Swan Point, United States, 3019 Memorial Bridge, Westmoreland State Park, and Colonial Beach. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Spotsylvania County and Central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Spotsylvania, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Fredericksburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Gatewood, Brokenburg, Post Oak, Thornburg, and Snell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, south central Charles County in southern Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Colonial Beach, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leonardtown, St. Clements Bay, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Carp Island, Rock Point, Bushwood, Clements, Issue, Compton, Morganza, Tompkinsville, Able, Chaptico, Swan Point, St. Top Hill, Redgate, Maddox, Avenue, and Oakville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm. Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 7:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near James Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Choptank River, Blacklonet Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Tillman Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, east central Charles County in southern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Golden Beach, or near Hallowing Point, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Hail is large enough to dent and damage vehicles. Some hail damage to roofs, siding, and windows is possible. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Hallowing Point, Breezy Point, Golden Beach, Huntingtown, Hughesville, Owings, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Aquasco, Benedict, Eagle Harbor, Lower Marlboro, Barstow, Port Republic, Sunderland, Mount Harmony, and Dares Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac to Indian Head, Maryland, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 22 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point. Waters A severe thunderstorm was located near White Point Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Cuckold Creek, Greenwell State Park, Town Creek, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Drum Point, Solomon's Island, The Targets, and Richland Point Buoy. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tillman Island, or 7 miles east of Chesapeake Beach, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, setting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, Trapp, St. Michael's, Oxford, Grassenville, Skipton, Copperville, Matthews, Choptank, Bly Mills, Hamilton, Windy Hill, Cordova, and Queenstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southwestern Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, southern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Atchison River Naval Air Station, or 9 miles east of Lexington Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 6:29 p.m., Atchison Naval Air Station reported a wind gust of 61 miles per hour with this storm. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near University of Maryland Eastern Shore around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Green Hill, Cap Penny, Withageen, Oriole, Trinity, Andrews, Royal Oak, Eden, Crocker, and Honga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Dorchester, and Wicomico.